This 2025 Grand Design Momentum 395 Mega Siemens is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 44 feet 2 inches in length and features Sleep's 9, external shower, LP detector, Skylight, carbon monoxide detector, Slideout, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, stovetop burner, water heater, leveling jacks, and 140 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Momentum 395 Mega Siemens is 15,600 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.